Welcome to this presentation on beas industry solutions qualified for SAP Business One. I'll give you an overview on this comprehensive solution specifically tailored to small and mid-sized manufacturing businesses. beas industry solutions are certified at the highest possible SAP level. beas Group is one of the most successful software solution partners globally. We believe the key factor of our success is our approach to focus on the client's workflow and business processes. SAP Business One, as globally available ERP and integration framework, is the basis for beas industry solutions. To address dedicated industries, beas developed a series of additional modules like MRP2, extended manufacturing and cost control, advanced planning and scheduling, supply chain management, and many others. A very powerful configuration wizard helps in setting up these beas modules to represent almost any workflow. The standardized method of implementation allows a very quick implementation and return of investments. For this reason, beas has been implemented in already more than 600 customers in discrete, process, and mixed manufacturing. Based on a functional depth, beas supports various dedicated industries like metal and plastic, processing, machinery, chemical engineering, and food. To take as basis, define strategic business processes for make-to-stock, make-to-order, engineering, assembly, configure-to-order, variant production, and supply industry, automotive, and logistics. Now, to add some flavor, let's have a look on the program. For the reason of various business processes to be managed, the Business One master data has been extended. A multi-level bill of materials, routing with resource scheduling and optimization, bin location management, included calculation with different calculation objects and evaluation, quality control, and much more. What are the characteristics of different business processes? The first example is a make-to-stock process. It is based on sales orders or forecasts. The MRP reveals the material requirement and creates order recommendations for purchase, manufacturing, and outsourcing. Releasing the work order specific data is created, and important engineering change control is supported. In a make-to-order process, a one-to-one linkage between sales order and work order is possible. In this process, MRP is considering no longer master data, but work order specific data directly. Engineering can update work order specific data without changing the master data anymore. A completely different process is configure-to-order. The sales order item can be configured, calculated, and a work order is created for a specific variant of a product. Let's have an example starting from a sales order. From the sales order, with right-click, we open the configurator. In this example, it is a sofa. We select the size, covering and cover, get different prices for all these elements, select the legs, accessory, and we get a price in the end, which we can save to a price list. We can save this variant, and we return to the sales order where now the item has been exchanged by this saved variant. Engineer-to-order products can be based on master data or can be defined completely from scratch. Technical sales team can build up customer-specific product structures, including assemblies, sub-assemblies, purchase parts, operations, which can be calculated and also integrated to sales quotation. If the customer orders this highly engineered product, the work order data can be created based on calculation data or master data or individually from scratch again. MRP calculates first released parts of the order, for instance items with long lead time from suppliers or with long cycle time from production. According to the project timeline, engineering break down additional parts of the order simultaneously to the already running purchase and manufacturing process. Updates will be considered by MRP in an ongoing way. For long-term projects or complex structures with multiple dependencies, we offer the project manager the possibility to export all manufacturing data from beas to Microsoft Project. So we start MS Project. The interface for importing beas work orders to MS Project provides different filters and visualizations. Connect, select a project. After import, all functions of MS Project can be used. Scheduling, milestones, determination of the critical path. Any combination of work orders and projects is possible. Now we enter a new task, which is not relevant for production but for project management. This additional information can be saved, for example, for communication with customers. All data can be exported back to beas to calculate material requirement and resource capacity. During the last some minutes, you saw various workflows for business processes. From the status of work order generation, beas provides additional modules to support the manufacturing execution and cost control, like APS, quality control, time and production data reporting, cost analysis, and others. The advanced planning and scheduling is the next topic we take a closer look on. The Advanced Planning and Scheduling module provides an interface which is very clear and easy to operate. With only 5 tabs and a few buttons, you can manage your work orders. Under consideration of the material availability, you can optimize and schedule your production processes. In the Gantt view, all action take immediate effect. If you move an operation, it is rescheduled, and accordingly the resource utilization changes. Of course, many modules like warehousing, as well as time and production data collection, can be used as mobile versions. With our mobile solution, the beas web apps, all manufacturing data can be accessed via browser using any handheld device. You are always up to date with the possibility to intervene directly. beas supports not only the comprehensive transactions ensuring across the business processes, but also the insight view. This view is important to follow lean manufacturing, Six Sigma and other strategies for continuous improvement. Therefore, beas allows to define KPIs and monitor them sustainably, for example productivity or added value trend, until process costing and controlling or purchase analysis. The beas growth path reflects the strategy of SAP. We offer the following models. In the on-premise model, we offer a starter package for light manufacturing needs. The benefits are a rapid implementation for low budget. If in a growing company later the complete deep functionality is required, an upgrade to beas Basic or additional modules is possible with no effort. The on-demand solution is available in common and private cloud. You get standard features in the common cloud at very attractive costs, or you can have a private environment with customized solutions and tailored web services. Following the SAP strategy for HANA, we are preparing beas for HANA. Thank you for your interest.